Okay, here we are with Linda. This is Linda's hangar, and we're looking at some of her stuff behind us, and we'll be showing some of her airplanes on the V camera. So, Linda, how long have you been flying?
Well, since about 2004.
Wow.
I started flying model planes then because I made the era of going to a hobby shop
Oh my gosh.
walking out with a plane.
Wow.
Prior to that, I flew the single engine land. So I was in the rental business, then I flew out of love field. I had my planes down there.
Oh, so did you, in 2004, were you actually flying real planes, or were you getting into RC hobby
I was
airplanes?
getting into RC hobby at that point. I had kind of actively got out of flying the real ones.
Okay.
Because they're very expensive
Okay.
to do. So I got into models. I just found it to be fascinating. I've always been fascinated by airplanes.
So you just went into a hobby store, and all of a sudden, since you're not flying the full-size planes, you decided, let me try the model airplanes. Now, did you build one, or did you buy one already made, or how did you get started?
The first plane I bought was from was a Zaggy,
Okay.
which was real popular in 2004. And subsequently, I bought a Telemaster, and I built that kit with some help from a friend. And since then, I have begun to build and repair or refurb planes from that point forward.
Wow.
So it is one of the most interesting things that I've done. It's just a different world. It's like flying the real ones. It is its own unique way of doing things.
Interesting. Now, there's not too many female pilots, so I don't want to say it's unusual. Well, I don't see very many female pilots that come to the field because they want to fly.
I would agree with you, and I don't know why not, because it is one of the most fantastic things you could ever do. But I've always been the type of person that I like to put things together. I've always liked to build things, whether or not it's yard art, doing that type of hobby, or something else. So this was just, this hobby also went along with my passion to fly real planes.
Okay, okay.
So I've always enjoyed that. But I would encourage anybody, male or female, really to come out, and it's a fun hobby.
And you're not just flying airplanes. I see you got a little drone here, so you're doing drones, and I've also seen that you do a sailboat. So you also have a remote control sailboat.
Yes, this is the smallest one that I own in the drones, and then I've got just a regular sized sailboat. It's about 36 inches long.
Okay.
It's got about a 5-foot mast on it, but planes are my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, fascinating. That's awesome that you're doing this.
Oh, yeah.
And I've seen you fly. You are an awesome pilot. You do some really great flying very well.
Well, thank you. It's called, it's just fun. You know, when I first started out, I had some real good teachers.
Okay.
When I first went to our club field, I met 4 of the guys there. They asked me if I flew, and I said that was the first time I had really been out to a flying field, and I got my Zaggy out.
Wow.
And they let me fly, and I thought that was just absolutely awesome.
And this was a fuel plane too, so you weren't flying electric at that time.
No, the Zaggy is electric.
Zag's electric, okay, I'm not familiar, but yeah.
Yeah, the Zaggy is a delta wing.
Okay, okay.
And so it's really, it was electric. And then subsequently, I transferred over to glow engines.
You mostly fly glow, is
I
what
mostly fly glow now.
Yeah, which is something. I've seen you out there flipping that propeller, and I mean, just like every other guy. And
yeah, it's so much fun. I mean, it's so rewarding to take a box of sticks, put them together, and it goes, and you take it out, and it actually flies. I mean, that's an awesome feeling.
So are you working on any new model at this time, or?
I am. I'm building a short kit of a Slim Jim, and I've got it about halfway done. And hopefully it will replace the one that accidentally went into the ground.
Okay. I thought you don't crash.
Unfortunately, in this hobby, you always have the privilege of crashing. So, yes, so I have built a Tiger, a Carl Goldberg Tiger. I've built the Slim Jim, the Midwest Satabria, and all over the years.
Wow. So ladies, if you're actually watching this video, you see, there's female pilots out there.
Oh yes, come and enjoy the hobby. Yes, I get excited.
I also wanted to mention that Linda is an avid photographer. She photographs a lot at different flying fields.
It's called, it's fun to fly the planes, but I also enjoy doing the photography work. It's just nice to capture them in the air when somebody's flying.
And you also, I would assume, take some video and photography with the drone too, right?
I do. I have taken a lot of stuff flying over the Trinity River over at Sandy Lake.
Oh, wow.
And that is really, this particular model makes some good photos.
A little bit of all-around stuff that you do, I see.
Yeah. It's fun. I like photography. I've done that all my life, and so it certainly complements the flying.
Awesome. So if you like this channel,
yeah, please subscribe.
All right, and like. So if you like what you see, hit the like button just below. Till the next video, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time.